Gudas moves it up the right side. Here comes Jonathan Huberdeau in across the Lightning line. Centering pass. Score! The Panthers strike first. It's Sam Bennett in his return from the one-game suspension.
What a return for Sam Bennett. What a pass by Jonathan Huberdeau. And this is some of the speed that Florida wants to play with, right? Off the rush, an area pass by Huberdeau, and Bennett, using his speed on the outside, is able to get past Stamkos. You can see Sergachev and Savard going for the same guy as Owen Tippett had that center lane drive, was able to occupy Sergachev, and Stamkos not able to catch up to Bennett.
Huberdeau and point. Huberdeau wins the draw. Back to Forsling. Then across to the right side. Shot by Gudas was blocked. Another shot. Score! 2-0 Florida. Radko Gudas on his second attempt beats Vasilevsky.
Well, this is not a guy that you would expect to be a goal scorer for the Florida Panthers, is it? A face-off win for Huberdeau. Bennett got kicked off out of the face-off, and Gudas here stays with this puck. The initial shot was blocked, and Gudas is able to relocate the puck.
Now Cirelli cuts behind the Florida goal, lost the puck for Hagee. Back around to the near side. Killorn on it for the Lightning. Here's Hedman with some room. Shoots. Score! Cirelli setting up in front. The Lightning cut the Panthers lead in half. And for Anthony Cirelli, it is his first goal in the last 29 games. Gord with Colton. Colton with the return for Gord, and then across, and a good defensive play by Forsling. He kept it away from Coleman. Colton with the puck once again, knocked to his knees, then shoots and scores. We are tied at 2. Only 2 shifts in the first period here tonight. Pass picked off by McDonough. McDonough towards the net. Score! Beautiful setup from McDonough. And the Lightning take a 3-2 lead.
You can't let the forward get inside position on you and get a stick on it. At that point, it becomes a difficult save for the goaltender.
5-on-4 for another 20 seconds. Now Savard with the puck. Up the boards. Took a funny bounce, kept alive by Weegar. Tippett, as Gord lost his stick. Tippett's shot blocked by Hedman. Puck played back out by Wenberg for Weegar. Remember, no Keith Yandel, the usual power play quarterback. Shot by Wenberg. He scores! With 4 seconds remaining on the penalty, the Panthers tie the game at 3. Victor Hedman. Now Steven Stamkos back out to Hedman to the far circle in front point. He scores! The Lightning go back on top. Braden Point with a power play goal.
Stamkos, Hedman, Kucherov to Point, and you've got to respect Kucherov. You really do. I mean, when it gets to Kucherov, you have to shade to him because he can shoot the puck, and Forsling slides over. Barkov not able to recover to cover up Point.
Now Kucherov back out for Hedman. Near side, Stamkos fires, and Drieger got a piece of that one. Now Point back out, Hedman. Hedman looking for the redirect in front. They score! Alex Killorn makes it 5-3 Tampa Bay. Another power play goal. Kept alive by Sam Bennett, and then across for Huberdeau. Huberdeau back out. Now Barkov to the far circle. The return for Alexander Barkov. Now Huberdeau. Huberdeau with 2 assists tonight. Huberdeau towards the net. Hornquist scores! It is now 5-4 Tampa Bay. Second power play goal for Florida. Wenberg with a goal tonight. Cross-ice pass. Good defensive play by Joseph. Kept it away from Marchment.
Great back check there by Matthew Joseph. Able to get back. It was a potential 3-on-2, but good work by the Tampa forward to negate that path, that cross-ice play.
Hedman takes the puck away from Montour. Panthers get it back. Moving it is Forsling with a shot. He scores! With 3:07 remaining. Gustav Forsling with his first career postseason goal ties the game at 5. Face off to the right of Bobrovsky. Panthers clear the puck out. And now moving in with a shot is Lomberg. He scores! The only Panther who did not have a shot on goal in regulation, Ryan Lomberg with the overtime winner.
For his energy, the face-off win, it's a set play. Once they win it, they're off to the races. They talk about this before the puck drops. If they win it, Lomberg is taken off. It put the Tampa Bay Lightning defense in a tough position, a bouncing puck. And the breakaway speed by Lomberg, because he got a head start, was able to blow past Hedman. And a real good finish, as he's got it on his backhand and he's able to elevate it and puts it through the arm of Vasilevsky, one that probably Vasilevsky would like to squeeze off. But Lomberg, who has played with a ton of energy, is able to give life to this Florida Panthers team to get this series to 2-1.